Stacey, and just because it's fall, you cannot forget about your veggie garden. I know we're all getting excited and we're doing fall decorating with moms, but please don't forget about your veggie garden. It is really, really important to put your vegetable garden to bed for the winter. And I have at least about 5 really good tips that will really help to make your vegetable garden thrive next spring and summer. Here's what's really important, guys. You've got to clean up all the old debris in your vegetable garden. Get rid of those old tomato plants. Get rid of the eggplants that are going by. All of those old vegetables that have gone by, you need to completely clean them out because they can hold overwintering insect eggs and they can also hold a lot of disease. So it's very important to get those out of your vegetable garden. Step number 2 is add some lime. Add some good organic garden lime to your vegetable garden. The reason I love this so much is because most vegetables, with the exception of potatoes and then some fruits like blueberries, love a higher pH level. And that's what lime does. It sweetens the soil and it's really important for a healthy vegetable crop. So add some lime and this can sit under the snow and work on changing the pH all winter long. Step number 3, those vegetables took so many nutrients out of the garden. So it's really important to replenish those nutrients. And you can do that. You can use several different kinds of fertilizers to do that. I just happen to like this Garden Tone. This is a really great vegetable fertilizer, has lots of rich manure in it. Put that into the top 3 inches of that vegetable garden after you've cleaned it out and you'll restore those nutrients and there'll be so many more nutrients available for those plants next spring and summer. I have another little tip that's kind of different. Not many people do this. This is Diatomaceous Earth. It's an organic product. What I want you to do with this is actually mix this sort of little powder into the top few inches of the soil of the vegetable garden. It will really help control some overwintering insects that might be trying to hide out in your veggie garden all winter long. That's a good little extra tip. Some of you may or may not do this, but this is winter rye. I love winter rye. It's a really good cover crop. Cover crops are good for so many reasons. The deep roots actually aerate the soil and make it less compact. It acts as a green manure when you till it in the spring. So winter rye is a really excellent cover crop. There is a little secret though, you really need to till it in before you plant, at least 4 weeks before you plant next spring. So those are some really good 5 tips to put your vegetable garden in a healthy manner to bed for the winter. Now, I know some of you say, but wait, I'm not totally done with my vegetable garden. That's okay, you don't have to be. Still need to clean up. And then we do have some really wonderful winter, like cold season crops. These are lettuces and kale and broccoli, and all of those can be planted now so you can continue harvesting. But remember, when these have gone by, it's important to clean these up too, and then go ahead with the 5 garden tips that I gave you about your vegetable garden bed. Thanks a bunch, see you next time.